welcome back to the night show for today.
I know just answer you easy bit. That thing you just do am on purpose, but it's okay. God day.
I be they give you gist before we enter the matter of today.
Say
Man U, Chelsea and Arsenal. Then the one signed me. That was like 2009. Thank you.
So what's in
2009. Then they called me that time to make I can't do trial. You know, so they go first do trial before they call say okay. But the other thing, man, you first call me before Arsenal can't call me.
Okay,
then
that time na Ferguson did it.
Wait, Ferguson I did there.
Okay.
So they call me. So I can't say okay. He say I'm not to get time. Say it go day hard for me to come finish Man U. I'll come they go Chelsea field. Come they go Arsenal. Man just do one. So that all of them go all day field. They will come choose. So as I come, they come say okay. Say make I do snake and ladder style for
snake and ladder on top of
they say no,
wait.
No, true.
Snake and ladder inside football.
Nice.
People when they play ball.
They don't keep quiet.
People when they play ball.
Now I see why they not pick you.
People like
my brother.
Wait, I never give you G's finish.
You don't need to keep us the years, Nedu.
See, Katim.
Which kind of snake and ladder on top football?
Wait, you go ask me which one be snake and ladder. I will show you. Now,
you want to show me?
For that same field, they can't do everything. I can't.
Easy, go find football.
Wait,
you can show me that snake and ladder today.
Now your gist, not be my gist. Make I talk now. So after I can't do everything because they say make I do that thing when they say go day for one side. Score, you go in, I go 90, I do them. They say, this guy is a natural. You get our body. They speaking, they begin to say, so
who they talk this one?
Wait now.
Fenka.
Make I talk my gist.
Who they talk this thing say is a natural?
You they kill my ginger. Allow me to talk my gist. So now being, they can't talk finish. They can't say, all of them come, they say, we want you. They can't they talk price. Now I can't tell they say, my father can't call me. Because say, Chile, do you now? Yes, where are you?
How many times he call you?
2 times.
Okay.
Chile do KB no. Now I say, daddy, yo, I'm in London, man. I'm doing a trial, man. My father come tell me say that time say he get more go village, go do something. Now can't go village. As I can't come back from village now. I call this in and say if I go play for there. I like Nigeria.
Very well.
I like Nigeria.
So now you come make you no go.
I can't call. If I go say flash me.
You can't call him back.
Flash me. Then I can't call him back. I can't say, yo, I don't think I can make it, man. They call it. See, tomorrow, today they say the best.
And he will feel disappointed, though.
I felt disappointed.
So which kind of number you play when they do the trial?
Dream. Don't worry.
Okay.
I know what time they play. Anyway, we got 2 guests for today's show. I will get Dales, and we'd already sit down with us for Inside
In other
Studio.
words, Echo Dallas.
But not be the real name when Papa give them, be that. The real name when they give them. Now, after 7 days, they can't share rice, share biscuit, share garden egg. Can't give them Chesson.
So that name no comes with. Which one comes with pass? The Chesson or the Dales?
Now the Dales, now sweet and pass. Now the Dales, now sweet and pass. So in come the answer Dale. For a musical stage name. Apart from Dales, we'll get for Inside Studio. Dales is a musicist. He's an artist.
No, which kind? You know, say anyway.
He sing music, church music, love music,
Afro-pop.
music, Afro pop.
Rhythm and blues.
Reggae. Raga. Everything the guy they play. And then apart from that, we see get another Ogbonge guest. This guy, I they call him Oracle. When it comes to acting matter, I they call him Ancient of Days.
They take us go way back. The thing when we talk about that time for
Days.
When we remember those kind of things.
Ancient of Days. Now this guy be for all those Nollywood, soap operas.
What did they call them that time?
Checkmate. Snake in
rattlesnake. No snake in the snake shadow.
No.
That's not Chinese thing. Snake in the eagle shadow. No.
Snake in the monkey shadow.
Snake in the monkey shadow.
Yinka Akinlaworo. Naim be the guy name. What do I see in face? I don't know whether I'm mother or maybe I get a name. I don't know.
Yours different as Yinka. No, yours different like that.
Well, he get the thing when they show for TV now, just the 2 of us. The guy did for inside just the 2 of us. And other films where I don't see the guy enter. The guy they act Ayakila. You get one film where I see I watch him act Ayakila.
You know that one you go, oh Jesus.
You get one where I watch the guy act native doctor. You get one where I see he act person where
where they find people in face to face.
My problem be say for Nigerian film, they know they show where they wipe. It's an issue for me.
So why you go think say him go wipe? You go and say na Ancient of Days.
Wait, you go see him. Anyway, now two of them now will get for a studio for today. But make we enter the matter for today. It get gist when we say we go like talk about today. But after we don't discuss with them finish, then we go enter that gist of what we want to talk about
today. You say they won't
today.
show us something inside television.
No. I'm not saying they won't show us something.
Okay, yours they talk and say you see that thing. Yours the two of us.
I they say I mean they watch them for TV station. Anyway, Mona join us as we welcome. Katim! Mona join.
What did I do you? What's wrong with you?
I don't tire for your matter. The person go dey talk, you go dey talk. Okay, if I dey talk, you dey talk now. How they want take care with I dey talk now?
Nedu, they could hear us.
You be evil spirit. If you be evil spirit, pastor no go fit cast you out. Your spirit will be harsh.
I be like lies for hey. To command lies in the heart. Nedu, me, I don't be lies for this you are hey. I see the holes for your hair. You know if it command me for this you are hey.
Anyway, welcome to join us as we welcome Dales to the night show. Welcome, my brother.
Thank you.
Welcome.
My brother.
Woman of God.
Yeah, you are not easy. You come put rose for this you are yakking.
See my mentor. My mentor with this.
No, be your mentor. I got that.
My mentor.
I'm not your mentor. Because
You they rub mentor.
I don't do. The guys have a mentor. No mind now.
No, they don't put rose for in yake like this.
No,
You
sure?
come put rose. No, they
So I'm not your mentor.
I know they don't they put rose.
They put them.
But no, now your swag. Come be this rose where you add so on top of your jacket. But it's fine. You look sweet.
Thank you.
You are sure, not be here.
That's all.
Anyway, welcome to the next show.
Thank you.
Tell us your full names.
Okay.
Your
As in take born you.
As they take born you. Everything about you, what you they do, you know. For those of you we don't know, for people who don't know, make them know stuff about you.
Okay, my name is Sheson Bamidele Odukomaya.
That's a sweet name now.
Odukomaya.
Yes, Odukomaya.
In the like name when the guy deliver person. Odukomaya! Odukomaya! The evil spirit go say, wait. Continue.
Okay, my mama and papa come together. They born me.
Your mama and papa come together.
They come together.
What did
They perform magic.
Wait! Your mom and papa come together. What did they do when they come
They
together?
perform magic. Calm down.
They drink water, come born out.
Yes.
They share the egg and granite, come born out.
They come together. They come born me.
Okay.
If I hear,
no.
continue.
Okay, continue. As I come born you now, what you come?
So they come born you. So where Dale come out from now? Why you go look yourself and say, you know me, you leave Sheson, you can't like Dale. What's in Dale? Dales.
Nadeus.
No first. Now me they spoil your name. What's in Dales?
I mean, they play around with my name. They play around with my name. I can't say, Sheson Bamidele. People know if you pronounce my name well.
Okay.
So
Like we now you you know, you go hard for us. People and say
so. She's so. So I can't
you
say
like this, Boyibo.
I can't say I just try funkify the name. I can't come out to that Deus.
Where did D come up from?
Dele.
Where did
Z.
Alice come up from?
No, nah.
Deus.
Dele D-E-L.
Spell this you are Dales first.
D-A-L-E-S.
Okay.
D-A.
So Dale. S for Sheson. Oh.
E for waiting.
E for the Dele now.
A for waiting.
For the Sheson. So I pick all the letters with the dominant for the name. I can't make sound.
This guy don't know what you're talking about.
No, Nena, you confused.
This guy is confused.
I'm not confused.
Nena, you confused.
You are confused.
Bami Dele, come remove the Bami. You leave the Dele. You're in
if not Bami Dele, now the Dele with the Bami Dele go be D-E-L-U-E.
No.
This one now Dala, Bami Dala. No.
Bros, calm down. Let me get name.
I don't know.
Let me get name now.
I don't know.
Let me get name now. Leave my name.
Anyway,
so I just mix up.
Anyway, continue. So you go school.
Hey.
No, now. Hey, look.
Hey.
Whiskey, come on for school.
Calm down.
Okay, bros, calm down.
Okay, no. Ima and Sonny, then go school.
Then go school now.
Na primary school, na secondary school, then go.
The thing is,
Then go secondary school.
Oh yeah, bros, wait, calm down. I
the
go school.
problem now, as you they always they ask people, you go school?
No, I want to ask her. Oh, okay. So, what is your qualification? Like, did you?
Nedu, I don't send newspaper.
Bros,
You go school?
I go school. I go school.
You for ask which level? To go school. Primary fit be you go school. Secondary fit be you go school.
Where you from?
Ogun State.
Ogun State. You don't marry.
I never married.
You never married?
I don't be like you now. I know say you be boss.
Yeah.
I got
No
boss.
one that's Robo, okay, you are his mentor.
You're my mentor.
Yeah, man. He also say you know Jalo like him.
Okay, what you study for school when you go school?
Economics education.
Economics education. What you can make you leave economics education? Come enter music. I don't understand. Work not day.
We not
Then they
understand.
follow you for village or be waiting.
No, now passion. You know, say as I dey grow, I dey listen to Michael Jackson.
We don't die.
Boys to men.
We
don't
never die.
We never die. One don't die. Stevie Wonder,
Wonder,
Oliver the Cook, we don't die. The only die people they listen to.
No, hey.
No man, I just they play.
Ebenezer Obey.
Okay.
King Sonny Ade.
Okay.
Shina Peters. They plenty like that. List plenty.
Okay.
List plenty. They endless.
Now then you listen to wake up make you say no.
My papa get record that time.
Oh, you better
All
sing.
those, no, he get record. As in,
Okay, all this turntable.
turntable.
Okay.
So you just carry am go into the room, just play Ebenezer Obey, play.
So now you tell him grow.
I think I'm grow.
Why you not come go school, go read music?
My papa told me say, you know, when I do anything like music because that time, if you see people they do music, no, they serious.
They can not this serious.
Exactly. Now why?
Okay.
But
So,
now things are not the same.
so I should not come go school now. What school you go?
University of Lagos.
University. When you come out from school?
2009, 2010.
2009. You don't tell.
You never did like that.
Never
Yours
tell.
5 years.
Never tell.
25 years.
People wait on come out since 1990. What do you call them?
So, after you come out from school, you walk.
I work.
You walk.
I get
You
like.
teach?
I teach, yes.
So which kind of work you do?
You could be like teacher, professor. You just carry that your briefcase.
Which kind of work you do?
I be day one graphic design company like that for GRA Lagos.
For GRA Lagos.
Yeah, I got the experience from there. Then I worked for I been work for more supermarkets like that before I can't join the graphic design company.
Okay. Now from there now you can't say no. Let me. But may you talk true. Talk true.
Nah,
You don't submit CV for bank, different places, work not day. Not be waiting make you enter music.
No.
Yes.
Now passion.
Just a passion. You just say no. God call you. I been a you flash God.
no.
No.
It be like say one day you just sleep wake.
Trance.
You just wake up. You just enter music.
Nah.
Now since you don't start
decide,
for how long now you don't do music?
On professionally,
Professionally, yes.
it's been like 12 years.
12 years.
Now you don't blow.
Then they follow this guy for village.
12 years.
Now for choir, I start. All of us start from choir now. So the choir.
Nah, no, you get people not start from choir. The people plenty people not start from choir.
Normally.
Okay.
Normally.
No, I just dey talk. Continue.
Normally, now from choir.
No, but professionally, say okay, as Dales, as an artist on your own, when you go say okay, because people feel don't they sing. Some go say from my mama belle, now I know side they sing. Because my mama young, now musical notes you go do. Now me they sing from my mama belle. So all those kind when you begin do am, say okay, people know you as Dales, you they sing. When you go say okay, you begin sing as Dales.
Now 2 years ago, I just start.
So you go, okay, we go say professionally as an artist. Now like 2 years ago.
So what you come they do since 12 years ago?
I be the work now. Why? I did work for. I told you as I mentioned earlier. I was working.
But you can't know that time say you get talent to sing.
Well, for apart from saying getting talent to sing, now which kind of music you go say you do?
I don't want to be.
Bros, that's a very serious question.
Okay.
Now music they do music.
So you don't even know my brother anywhere but that face.
I like your music. I like your style. If you call me that time and say, go and sing for my funeral.
Yeah. Then you go sing, it is well with my soul.
If you come and tell me, say, I go sing for naming ceremony, I will come, you can't sing. As long as you pay me money.
So any kind of music now, if you sing, if you sing Chucky, if you sing,
bros.
if you sing rap,
it gets some kind of song where I don't go sing, shall?
Which kind of song?
All the way they talk say, take off your clothes.
Which I be take off your clothes?
I don't go sing.
Oh, baby, give it to me. Baby, you're whining to me from the left to the right to the center.
Neru, I never even hear that song before.
You know what I have this song? Ask for Naika, he know. I saw for one music video. Where one guy, they whine for him, he come on speed from out. Yeah. I know what I'm talking about. So how many songs you don't get now since you don't start music?
I mean, don't get like 3 songs now.
3 songs now. How long did they take them? Because I know say Whiskey say in the right song every day. In a week, they get like 7, 8 songs.
Impossible.
Okay, well, whiskey. Oh no, you know they make sense. It make sense, and you know they make sense because that song where in my bed. He Tinubu they sleep for in bed. Fashola they sleep for in bed.
But you know it's here.
Everybody. Chiwendu from Owerri. Good evening.
So those kind of things, no, they make sense.
Chiwendu. Chiwe. Save Johnny. Thank you. Call us back.
Ijoma, oh.
Now, back. You say you don't do three songs rather. Which?
Now the same type of song.
Now the same type of song, all of them.
No. Different style.
One na Aro and B, the other one Afro pop.
One na
Afro pop. Everybody in Afro pop.
Afro pop day. Then this in the
R&B.
R&B day.
Akpala.
No, I never went to Akpala.
You get one thing.
This guy song day now. Afro beats day too.
Afro beats. Okay. We get one of your song. Now you get one song where you do with Nusa.
Yes.
A very lovely song. This guy can sing love song.
Okay, so that one na R&B.
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 R&B, not be P. P. If not R&B, it will be rap.
Okay, it's true.
If you rap.
Hey, no, I dey learn work self. I see they learn.
Katim the rap.
Am I, Baba?
Wait. Give her your lines for your rap. Easy beat. Give her beats. Make Katim Shram. Give her beat. See, may they do rap because rap they sell now. You see, why you say MI don't blow? Why you say give her that glass? This is a rapping glass. Watch out. Give us that beat. Why you say Fino don't blow? Allow me na rap. Now she taught them. Now she teach them how to rap. Oh yeah, go. Give us the beat. Hurry up now, name again.
Joe! Yo! Please, Joe! We are all going. Who said, don't kiss them? I go to you and one when you a girl. What? Come on! Abamo! No taxi! Go for a bus. Yeah! Go, what? Go, mad and get a go. What? I can't get a young tum. I can't get a young tum. Yeah!
I go like future out. I go like future out.
Emmanuel from Calabar, good evening.
Hello.
Emmanuel, good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm listening on the night show.
You want to what?
I want to speak with the night show.
You're on the night show. You follow us talk. How far? How is you?
I do. Nedu how far?
I do. Like a black and white TV. Whoa.
Why make a holla easy beat? Easy beat. I feel you.
Yes, boss. I feel you too, Baba.
Easy beat. I feel you.
Yes, boss. I feel it too, man.
Well, make a freestyle for you now.
Who you want freestyle for?
When not me beat, make I feel you.
No free. I'll give you beat to
yeah, slow every day, yeah. Keep it on the heat, yeah. If you think I feel around the boys and the heat, yeah. I feel like no one not me beat.
My brother, na conversion they do you. Na conversion they do you. Bye. Coco, then they do you. Conversion, then they do you. Anyway, how far, so far, how it don't be for music for you?
Oh, well,
the way you take that song with no sign, say yes. That's what you say is what.
So far, how you go say, okay, for the past 2 years, it don't be for you, music level, as an artist, where you
well, it's really, I think never did that all right, because we still get that kind of, that acceptance, never did it, because I'm new, people never get to know me, because I'm planning to do a video that will introduce me to the world.
Where people will see your face.
See my face.
Okay.
But also, I'm even trying to feature one more person. Okay. On this song, this track. Okay. Maybe Olamide.
Okay. Sorry. Evelyn from Bayelsa. Good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, Alpha.
We there.
Thank God today. No. The matter they talk was it was man because woman small.
Which matter?
And they want to say it's because woman small now. I for like.
Okay, 40. No worry. Hey, Evelyn.
You're a very sharp girl.
Yeah, very sharp girl. Evelyn, we will come to that matter. You go call us back later when we enter around.
Okay.
Thank
you.
you.
Sit down and you like these girls? How you see them? Oh,
She
Evelyn, don't go.
She don't go.
Oh,
She don't go.
wow.
Okay, you say you go like feature on Lamide.
Now process, because I go need push the song first.
Okay, maybe we know the song.
Yes.
Before you feature
Before
on
This
Lamide.
song now, Yoruba song.
And Yoruba, no be purely Yoruba like that. Get
Yoruba
Yoruba inside.
English.
You are in English.
Okay.
That's
Now which artist we go say you go say okay, now this artist that they look up to make I be like this artist.
Whenever die, oh, my brother.
Whenever die, you
Leave the dead to bury the dead.
because now die people with just
No, that's a very big question. Chai.
No, with the Michael Jackson, because
That's Baba. Baba.
Okay.
Two-Face.
Baba.
Christian from Aguda, good evening.
two faces.
Christian, good evening. Christian.
You should say that Christian or Christiana. No be Chris.
Hello?
Hello.
No be Christiana. Christy.
Sister, good evening.
Hello?
Hey, hello.
Christy.
Hello, good evening.
Patient.
Oh, patient.
Patient, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening 3 times now.
Hello?
Hey! Okay, good evening now.
Good evening.
Hey!
How you doing?
Would they fine?
Tim, I love you.
I love you too. Oh, you are such a sweet girl.
Nedu, I want to ask you a question.
Oh yeah, ask me.
How much are you going to pay Casey for parenting his dance?
Now my dance. It's called the Wetete.
It's not your dance, it's Casey dance.
It's called the Wetete
How are you
dance.
going to pay him?
It's called the Wetete dance. Thank you. See ya. Patient, thank you. Anyway, double twirl today was where Don Karawaka enter studio.
No, me, I want to hear that song where you say.
No, now they
it's
tell you.
sweet.
Now they tell you. Now they
Oh,
tell you.
okay.
Before Kariwaka, before Deus Kariwaka come out, Deus go say come back. Time not today, because we go see follow brother Yinka talk. Before you know why they call her brother Yinka. Every person when he say don't tell, we be ancient of days. Brother, so more we hear the song of Deus. As soon as Kariwaka come up for his studio, play song of Deus. When they come back.
Oh, it's such a sweet song.
You know yeah, shout.
Oh.
You know yeah, the that's Kike.